Okay folks, so this is the DARKROCK Baikal. I've removed the side panels like the instructions here say to. It doesn't go into any further detail on how to take off the front panel. But what I'm seeing is it's held on by these two little silver Phillips head screws. It's got 2 on each corner, so 8 total. But before you can get to those, you have to unscrew all these Phillips. And I think some of these are actually a rivet, so there's no way to access the fans on the front at all. So I will be returning this case. That's it.